All right, so today you'll be finishing up your lab on percent composition of penny. You have a quiz tomorrow on everything we've learned this week and then the previous week, so the other quiz. So things on like moles, molar conversion, formula mass, molecular mass, molar mass, and then what we learned this week, which is percent composition, empirical, and molecular formulas. So that's what you're looking at for this Friday, or tomorrow, I guess it would be. I'll be here after school, so if you wanted to come in, work on the lab, or just review, you're more than welcome to. I've posted a quizzes on Google Classroom for you to practice if you guys want to as well. All right, so the lab will be due tomorrow at 9:05. So you're not going to do it now, but I'm just going to explain what you should do. In the back, you should see your cup. I have replaced the hydrochloric acid with water, so it should be fine to just use your fingers to retrieve your penny. So you'll notice that when you take your penny, it's now only made of copper, so it seemed kind of flimsy. If it's not flimsy, like there's still some zinc in there. So zinc was the one that reacted with the hydrochloric acid. If you think there's something wrong with your penny, you could use your other penny in your group. So the partner across from you can use their data. It's up to you. But anyways, once you have that done, just rinse off your penny, and then you want to dry your penny so that your weight of your penny, the mass of your penny, does not include any water. And so now you'll be able to determine the mass of the penny after. So in the back should be some scales for you to use. And then to determine the mass of the zinc, remember the zinc is what reacted. So if I subtract the mass of the penny before and the mass of the penny after, I'll actually be able to determine the amount of zinc that was reacted. And then obviously the mass of the copper should be the mass of the penny after, because the copper was what is left over. Then you'll determine the percent composition of the penny, so the percent zinc, or the mass of the zinc divided by the total mass, and then the times 100, and then the percent copper would be the mass of the copper divided by the mass of the penny times 100. I want to talk quickly about percent error. So if we guys scroll down here, number 2 says percent error. So you have and so let's do the percent error we'll just do it for, say, zinc. So, or we want to figure out copper. So let's do the percent error of copper, and I'll add this in. So you have a percentage of copper, so that's your measured, right? So I'll do it in a different color. Let me remove this copper here. So the way we're going to solve this is we'll take the percent copper, and that's your measured. And then what you have to do is you have to look up the accepted. So you would have to Google what is the percent composition of copper in a penny after 1984, and you'll look that up. And so what you'll do is you'll solve using this equation. The one thing I want to notice is that it's a absolute value, which means that if you get a negative number, just make it positive, right? So the percent error is basically how far off, what percent off, or what percent off you are from the accepted value, or where you should be. And so we're going to use the percent copper as our measured. We're going to Google the accepted value, plug it into the formula, and then multiply by 100 to get the percent error. Okay? Also want you to notice that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 8 problems that you need to work on as well. All this will be due tomorrow. This is for a lab grade, and so make sure you get it turned in on time, please, by tomorrow. The rest of your time can be working on the lab. When you're done with the lab, you need to start working on the quizzes to get ready for the quiz tomorrow. Okay.